Hello everyone, my name is Nikhitha Shaju. I'm talking about my Johari window today. I actually like this assignment. It helped me get to know myself a little more and find some interesting facts about myself that I never knew. So yeah, the process of making this was definitely fun. Okay, let's start with the open window. This is what others see about me or how I present myself. I believe I'm a creative person. I love to do arts and crafts on my spare time. I am an introvert. I do shy away from big or open conversations. I tend to keep everything to myself. I'm caring. I love my friends and families, and I will always be there for them in need. I am an organized person. I love to keep everything clean and tidy, whether it's my home or workspace. Next is the blind spot window. This is what I can't see about myself, but others tell me. So after a little interview with my friends and families, here's my findings. Okay, so in the blind spot window, what they told me is that I'm a good problem solver, that I always look for the easy way out of problems. They told me that I'm a great at understanding others, that I'm the first person that they come to if they need any help. They were quick to point out that I get distracted very easily, that I have a short attention span, and also that I'm a good helper. Now, moving on to the hidden side. So this is the things that I keep to myself that are not known to others. I tend to worry about my future careers a lot. The unknown part of the future tend to scare me a little bit. I tend to be impatient when things don't go as planned. So I sometimes I sometimes lose my cool. So I'm working on my patience. I'm not very open to change. Again, the unknown factor of the change scares me, so I'm not very comfortable adapting to it. Next is the unknowns. So these are the things that are not known to me or others. So looking out into the future, these are the questions that I connect with. Will I enjoy life to the fullest? How will my family be like in the future? What my future holds? Who will I end up become? What or will my values change over time? What I have learned from this assignment. This made me think about who I am as a person and what I represent. I always had the impression that I can't understand myself, but this assignment helped me see who I was and who I am. It made me realize that I need to open myself to others and let myself out there a bit more. And I was able to learn new information about myself from others' perspective. Overall, I really enjoyed this assignment, and that's all for my presentation. Thank you for watching.